In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Figma designs to Wix Studio. Start in Figma by opening your design. Make sure your layout is organized into frames rather than loose groups. Frames act like sections and containers, which is exactly how Wix Studio expects to receive content. For best results, match each frame's width to the breakpoint you plan to use in Wix Studio, such as common desktop, tablet, or mobile widths. This helps ensure spacing and alignment feel natural after import, and reduces the amount of resizing you'll need to do later. Next, install the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Press Ctrl-K on Windows or Cmd-K on Mac to open Quick Actions. Then search for Figma to Wix Studio. Install it and run it from the same search bar. When the plugin opens, sign in to your Wix account inside the plugin to connect your design to your site workspace. This secure connection is what lets the editor recognize your exported content. Before sending any sections, export your styles through the plugin. Push colors and typography first, so that your headings, body text, and brand palette stay consistent when you import frames. This simple step saves a lot of cleanup later. Now select the specific frames you want to bring over, like your header or hero section. A clear frame name helps you find it easily on the Wix side. With a frame selected, click Export Frame in the plugin. If you have multiple sections, repeat this for each frame you plan to import. Wait for the plugin to confirm it's finished, so everything is uploaded and ready. Switch to Wix Studio and open your website in the editor. From the top menu, go to Tools, then Import from Figma. You'll see the frames you just exported listed there. Choose the frame you want and click to add it to your site. The section will appear on your canvas with the colors and text styles you exported earlier, keeping your brand consistent. From here, you can customize the imported section in Wix Studio. Tweak spacing, swap images, refine text, and align the layout with the rest of your page. Because you exported styles first, updates should feel seamless and require minimal rework. That's the full process from Figma to Wix Studio in a tidy workflow. Thanks for watching.